Spanish 1, sentences 169 through 172. 169. What is Juan's house like? ¿Cómo es la casa de Juan? ¿Cómo es la casa de Juan? Juan's house is small and red. La casa de Juan es pequeña y roja. La casa de Juan es pequeña y roja. Does Andrés like to sing? A Andrés le gusta cantar? A Andrés le gusta cantar? Yes, Andrés likes to sing. Sí, a Andrés le gusta cantar. Sí, a Andrés le gusta cantar. Now, notice, again, there's an apostrophe S. An apostrophe S does not exist in Spanish. Again, because if a Spanish speaker saw a mark above the word like that, they'd assume it was an accent mark. So if you see an apostrophe S, there's a formula in English. If you see an apostrophe S, you change it to the blank of blank. So you don't say Juan's house, you say the house of Juan. You don't say Becky's books, you say the books of Becky. So, what is the house of Juan like? What is Juan's house like? Now, 170. Juan's house is small and red. Now, Mr. Juan is a boy, so why is small female and why is red female? The adjectives small and red are not referring to Juan, they're referring to his house. And since house is casa and it's feminine, pequeño turns into pequeña and rojo turns into roja. Okay? Now again, how are we going to remember that pequeño is small? You're out picking vegetables or apples or something and your grandma says, "Hey honey, are you picking the small ones?" And you say, "Am I picking the small ones?" No. Pequeño is small, small is pequeño. Now, if you just said le gusta cantar for 171, it could mean does he like, does she like, does it like, do you sir like, do you ma'am like. So they say it twice. They say to Andres, to him it is pleasing to sing. Okay, or to Erica, to her it is pleasing to sing. You've seen this before. In Spanish you can say hablo español, which is I speak Spanish, or you can say it twice. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Okay, Spanish people love to say things twice. Okay, they don't just say cantamos, which is we sing, they say nosotros cantamos, which is we sing. So, anytime you hear to, like, is it pleasing to him or is it pleasing to her, you have to say it 2 times. So, is it pleasing to him to sing? To him, is it pleasing to him to sing? And again, 172, which sounds better? To him it is pleasing he sings, or to him it is pleasing to sing? Well, to him it is pleasing to sing. And remember, when you hear the word to sing, you don't chop and glue. So it's sí. A Andrés le gusta cantar. That's Spanish 1, 169 through 172.